Happy New Year, guys! Welcome to 2025. It's been a long time coming, but it's time to take out this 3 month mini twist. It's been a long time, and I'm so happy we're taking it down finally. And we're going to be starting a new challenge soon, so look out for that. This year is going to be so different than last year. I'm going to do a lot of different things, and we're going even harder on this 3 month challenge. So look out for that and subscribe if you're new here, because we're going to be focusing on our length retention journey and just getting a healthier and stronger hair over here. So yeah, so in this video today I'm going to be doing a reset because I'm taking down my hair today. So I just want to do I want to clean up my scalp a little bit because my scalp is dirty. I went on vacation, and let's just be sure I didn't wash my hair. I just did my moisture routine twice, so my hair is oily, greasy, and I don't want to take down my hair like that. I want to make sure my scalp is clean, then do a moisture routine. No, I won't do a moisture routine. I'm just going to use hydrating products to wash my hair and moisturizing products. I'm going to wash my hair with a moisturizing shampoo, deep condition, and that's all. I'm not going to add conditioner. I'm not going to add any oils, nothing, because I'm taking out my hair and it doesn't make sense, because I'm still going to wash my hair again before I do my actual protective hairstyle for 3 months. So this is just a short, simple video. I just really wanted to talk to you guys because it's been a while since we talked face to face. I'm always doing voiceover, so I said let me talk to you, wish you a happy new year, and we can finally start the video. It's going to be a short one, so don't worry about that. It's just a simple hydrating moisture routine, no oils, no butters, just for my take down process. So let's start the video. My hair is so greasy and it definitely need a wash, so I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're done now and we're going to go into deep conditioning. My hair has definitely grown so much. This is ridiculous. I think I'm going to put a picture of how my hair was looking before and crazy. So yeah, let's quickly go into deep conditioning. This is the last thing and we're done. I'm not going to add a lot, just for sleep. In case my hair gets dry, I'll just add water and to reactivate the conditioner. So that's why I'm adding the conditioner. And that's all. I'm so excited. I can't wait to take down this hair. So click on the next video to watch my takedown process because I'm doing it now. So yeah, it's going to be a whole separate video. And just to wish you guys a happy new year. Welcome to 2025. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.